Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel here. Look at what we got for Christmas. The Anki Overdrive racetrack, the Fast and the Furious edition. I got this for an amazing deal on Amazon, hard to believe. And I like this kit because, well, the vehicles here are different. This is the Ice Charger and the MXT truck. But the difference is here from the standard kit. This one comes with what they call a power zone track. I'm not sure what it does. We'll have to try this, of course, but this is not in the regular kit, and also the regular kit does not have guardrails. As far as I can remember, this has 12, so this is very good. And if we look at the back of the box, let me turn it here. We have some cool graphics here. I must say Anki did a very good job here with the design of this box. We see the two vehicles over here, a few tracks that you can build with this kit. This is a picture of the app on your smartphone, and this is the power track. Again, I'm not sure what this does, but we'll give it a try. So let's put this together, see how easy or difficult it is, and we'll give it a try. I think that Vivi wants to race before we open the box. Oh, she's gone. Let's open the box here, see what are all the parts that we have inside this beautiful box. Very nice packaging here, and we have all the tracks in this big white box. There's a little manual that says start here, so we'll look at that. Charging station looks like it over there. There's a poster. Look at that. There's a poster that comes with this racetrack. This is super cool. And we're going to open all these plastic bags over here. So step number one, we need to charge the car. So this is the charger. The racetrack comes with all the adapters you can see here. I can see UK, Europe, and this one, I'm not sure where this is from. Vivi is here as usual. She's right on the track. She likes to be on plastic or on boxes as we saw before. So we'll charge the cars and put the pieces together. Actually, what's the step number 2 in the manual? Launch the app. Okay, good. So let's do that. So we plug the two cars. As you can see, the lights are flashing green. I'm kind of guessing that when we have a full charge, the lights will be steady, but we'll see. And we'll let you know how long it took to charge the cars. So we have all the track pieces over here. So they were very nicely packed in individual plastic bags. So we'll have to choose the track we want to build. As we're putting the track together, our famous cat Vivi is inside the box, like she likes to explore. Hey Vivi, hello. Okay guys, so let's do the what's the name of the track again?
The loop back.
The loop back. Okay, very easy to put together. As you can see, the ends are magnets. After 12 minutes, the cars are charged, but they were probably not fully discharged. So we'll see after a full run how much time it takes to charge. So 12 minutes here from the box. We're almost done with the track, as we can see here. Lex, what's the name again of this one? On the back?
The loop back.
The loop back. Okay, and now we're busy installing the guardrails. They are a little hard to install. I would have liked to see that a little maybe easier and more sturdy, but once they're in, they seem to hold, but not very tight. So they're not super tight. So we'll see if they're really needed when we race. So we did charge the car, step 1. Now we need to launch the app, and then after that we have take control and the race action. And here we have full throttle with guardrails. Yeah, exactly. This is what we did, and it's not very firm. They could be a little more firm in the on the track. They say here to keep your tires in racing shape. So there is a tire cleaner, razor. We did that for this racetrack, and keep the box here for storage. So we're good to go. So let's start now the apps on the phone. So we're starting the app for the first time. Make sure that you download the Fast and the Furious edition, because there are, from what I saw, there are two apps, the regular kit and the Fast and the Furious. So now we have driver name, so we're going to enter the information. Okay, so we enter the nickname, age, and then the parents' email address. I had to activate the accounts. Uploading supercars. So now select, so Alex, you select the truck. Select, Sophie, you select the car. Perfect. And now you say continue. I will build it. So press on that, and then begin scan. Okay, you have to put now the cars. Oh, the cars are flashing over there. They are flashing, so they are connected to your smartphone. Okay, perfect. So get the cars, and we'll put them on the track here. So as you can see, the cars are scanning the track first, and then this updates the app here. And at some point, when the cars have learned the track, they will stop right there at the start line. So Dan, me versus this guy. Okay, so I'm use previous track. So I'm racing lined up cars. Okay, so can you put the cars at the start line? Oh no, it does it automatically. I think it does it automatically.
Yeah, it does. Oh, it's scanning.
Yeah, it does it automatically. This is cool. It goes to the start line automatically.
Track scanning complete. Race.
Okay, Alex, I'm going to start. She tells us what to do. This is cool.
Hold and slide the throttle to move your supercar.
Like this one.
Yeah, but I make
Tilt to change lanes.
Oh, it tells me again to do this. Okay, I guess it doesn't tell us all the time. Just now, Vivi, no. Take care. No, Vivi.
Here.
Ready?
Change lanes to drive around your opponent.
Go.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, no.
No, Vivi.
2, 1.
You can just watch.
Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to pass this guy. Aha. It's 10 laps, eh? I'm doing a maximum speed now. Where's my car? Oh, my car is I'm first.
Yeah. It says on your screen.
Look at that. I'm changing lanes here. This is cool. So as you can see on the main screen, you have the garage, single player, multiplayer. So here you play against the AI car. Garage, here you can have, of course, more than 2 cars. And you can have supercars, and you can have also super trucks. This is cool. And then going back to the main screen, tap on the ISO charger, and now we have here, you can see we have equipment, weapons, or support items. And if we tap on upgrades, we can also unlock upgrades. This is very, very cool. There's a lot you can do with each vehicle. And we have here the shop where we can buy weapons, as you can see here, and they tell you what they do. So a lot of weapons here. Wow. And I guess as you win races, you are getting money to buy these things, like the fuel bomb here. It tells you what it does. There's an animation also. You can disable your opponent, and then they slow down. Wow, this is very nice. We have been racing for about 15 minutes now, and the cars are still okay in terms of power. So we'll see how much time we can race. And this is the cleaning pad here. So it's like a sticky pad, and this will allow you to clean your tires.